Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this winter farm scene. Alright, the question of the day is, how do you sell art when there's snow on the ground? Alright, let's run through the colors. Cad yellow, Primer yellow, Indian yellow, raw sienna, burnt sienna, quin red, pearly red, quin blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to paint a wintry scene with a path going up to a little house with a lot of trees with a snowy background. Alright, for this stage we've laid in the sky a little bit darker blue. I'm going to basically the quin blue into a little bit of the aquamarine blue, so you get a lighter, softer, redder. I added a touch of brown to kind of make that a neutral sky, to kind of make it look more like sky, because sky isn't just that perfect blue, it's kind of like a faded blue kind of look. Here, same thing, it's mostly aquamarine, a little whiter, so it looks like snow. We're going to add more white highlights as we go along, but right now we're just kind of putting in that blanket look. We got this brown line. I probably should have used blue because now we're going to have that ugly horizon line to get rid of. I'm using an orange house in the photo. It's white, but I want to really pop against the blue background. And you have the black, so you don't want this to be too dominant. So you just want to have this, and then we'll have browns to highlight this orange. And this will be the brightest color. Maybe the sides maybe yellow. I don't know. I think just this brown is okay. Maybe tone it down with burnt sienna. We'll see. And we'll see you in the next layer.
So obviously in the winter cold months in anywhere above Florida or California, there's gonna be snow in the middle of the country. So what they organize locally here in Ohio, Midwest area, is they have art fairs inside of churches. I haven't tried that. I was invited to one. Supposedly you get a couple hundred people, so they have little bazaars all around the churches, so you probably have to call around quite a few different churches to get entered in on. There's obviously local flea markets. So what they do out here is, instead of having only outdoor stalls, they have outdoor stalls, plus they have indoor buildings. So if you get inside one of these, you can sell your art in these little inside galleries. And another option is shopping malls. So probably during December, you know, the last months of Christmas, a lot of malls nowadays, because they're struggling with retail and getting people in there, is they'll actually have little standalone stalls inside. I haven't tried that as well, but I think that's a great option for artists during the winter when there's snow on the ground. That's the question of the day.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I added kind of a star, kind of that, because there were focuses. Okay, angle of focus, this thing's stupid. So at the top I ordered kind of a star to kind of symbolize the northern star as well, to kind of balance out the painting. Originally the tree went really high, but I just kind of like that smaller tree, and I paired it up with another tree, so you have that nice, you know, pair of things with the house in the middle, so kind of symbolizing, you know, trilogy. You have the nice winter path leading up to the house. I probably could touch a little more around the house to make that blue a little sharper, but sorry, my focus isn't working on this lens. But yeah, I think I could clean up that house a little more. Maybe I'll do that right now. And yeah, overall, I think it's a pretty good painting. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And if you want to see the full version, check my Patreon account. I'll have that out shortly. And thanks for watching, guys.